Hello, my name is Eric Sheely. I'm the owner and designer at Green Designs for the Future. Green Designs for the Future designs green, sustainable homes using permaculture and green design standards. Hacienda Mallorca is a retirement home just on the outskirts of Palma de Mallorca in Spain. Mallorca is the largest of the Balearic Islands and is part of Spain. Palma de Mallorca is the capital of the island. Our clients want a retirement home here to enjoy the beautiful climate. Mallorca has a hot Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters. Sunshine is abundant, which makes Mallorca a destination for many Europeans on holiday. This home will be new construction, single-family home of 125 square meters. The client is considered upper middle class. Some guidelines that the client asked for are a green sustainable home that falls within a 10-year, $10,000 payoff and still has a Spanish styling and charm. Mallorca is a leader in sustainability, and home styles from traditional to modern can be seen throughout the island. We will be following building standards for certification of IFC EDGE for this home. EDGE is a part of the IFC, which is a member of the World Bank Group. EDGE stands for Excellence in Design for Greater Efficiencies. It is a cloud-based platform that can calculate cost of green buildings as well as utility savings. It uses city-based climate and cost data to help builders make the best decisions on their sustainable build. EDGE certifies in more than 170 countries currently and is specialized to help developing countries and people of lower income to participate in green building techniques and certification. Certification can be achieved by reaching 20% efficiency on the main building standards and is available to anybody that can use the program. EDGE standards were set for Palma de Mallorca, which created a base case. This is an estimate of what an average home of this size would use in utilities and cost per month. This home will have no air conditioning or heating system due to the climate. The base case final energy use is 586.55 kilowatt hours per month. Final water use is 13.12 kiloliters per month. And the base utility cost is 125.21 euros per month, or $151.62 in US dollars. Energy efficiency measures that were implemented into this home were reflective paint on walls and roof, low E-coated glass, natural ventilation, ceiling fans in all habitable rooms, a heat pump for hot water, energy efficient appliances such as refrigerators and washing machines, energy saving light bulbs inside and outside the home, solar hot water collectors to collect 75% of the hot water that will be used throughout the home, solar photovoltaics, which will provide about 50% of the electricity used in the home. This is very easy to implement in Mallorca due to the abundant sunshine. Smart energy meters and a wind turbine, which will provide about 25% of the electricity. Wind turbines are a perfect addition to a home in Mallorca due to the Sirocco winds that come off of the Mediterranean Ocean. Water is a precious resource on the island and is very limited. This made our water efficiency measures very important. They are to use low flow shower heads and faucets, single flush water closets or toilets, a rainwater harvesting system, which will collect about 75% of the roof area, and recycled gray water for flushing. Because this is a Mediterranean climate, which only receives rainfall during certain times of the year, rainfall harvesting systems are very important, as well as using the recycled gray water for flushing. There are only a few reservoirs on the island and lakes that provide the freshwater needs for much of the island. Material efficiency measures were also very important. Majorca is an island, so many building materials have to be shipped in. We tried to remain efficient by adding such things as in situ concrete with less than 30% PFA for the slab. PFA is a pulverized fuel ash, which is more sustainable than using 100% concrete, but it also adds strength to the concrete. We also use clay roofing tiles with timber rafters. External walls are compressed, stabilized earth blocks, which you take the dirt from the property, compress them into earth blocks with a little bit of Portland cement, and make blocks out of them. So it's a very, very, very efficient way of creating an external wall. Internal walls are plasterboards on timber studs, which were requested by the client to maintain the Spanish feel. The flooring will be finished concrete, and the window frames are also going to be made of timber to maintain the Spanish feel. This leads us to our efficiency assessment. In order to meet EDGE standard, 20% savings need to be met in the categories. The numbers from Hacienda Majorca easily hit this standard, as well as saving energy, water, and materials. Our final energy use was 78.67 kilowatt hours per month, which was a dramatic reduction. Our final water use was 5.95 kiloliters per month, which was also a dramatic reduction. Energy efficiency, 68.15%, which easily beat the 20% that we were looking for. Our water efficiency was 54.65%, which also was above what we were going for. Our materials efficiency was 69.43%, which was drastically above the 20% that we were going for. We also had a embodied energy savings of 382,000 and change millijoules, which was great. All of these energy savings met the EDGE standards, so the building is under review right now to be audited to be EDGE certified. It met EDGE advanced standards. Our cost in carbon emissions. Our incremental cost is 8,057.48 euros, or $9,767.36 in US dollars. So that was below our $10,000 limit that our client had asked for. Our payback in years was 6.79 years, which is lower than our original design. Our original design, we were almost 9 years in payback. But after implementing some changes after peer review, we decided to take some of the measures off that we had implemented at first, which reduced our payback in years almost 2 years. Our monthly utility cost is only 21.33 euros, or $25.86 US dollars. That's a monthly average utility cost estimate. which is a huge reduction from the original $125 or 125 euros a year that was originally in the base case. Our operational CO2 savings were 1.44 tons of CO2 a year. Our carbon emissions were 0.22 tons of CO2 a year. Our CO2 savings are 1.44. For a conclusion, we qualified for EDGE certification on the building, and we met the 10-year, $10,000 payback that was asked of the client. These savings are not only helping the environment, but will allow our client to enjoy all that Mallorca has to offer in their retirement. Thank you very much and have a good day.